I have my SureFlow remote control pump set up here. It's a 24-volt battery I built, a solar charge control panel. I have a Bluetooth relay, which I control off my cell phone. A thermostat there to make sure the pump shuts off below zero. I have so the power goes from the fuse box to the Bluetooth relay, which powers the thermostat, which activates the relay. So if I turn it on my phone, we will power the thermostat, and if it is above 0.03 degrees Celsius, it will send the power to activate the relay and close it and send power to the pump.